Erica back, and it seems like we've been talking about the wind for the last, what, 2 or 3 weeks, and it's not letting up, Erica.
Yeah, no, we're still going to deal with those winds, and that's mainly because we are in that summer pattern where we continue to see those valley winds. In fact, Bradley, right before sunset, saw a gust around 30 miles per hour. We are still seeing some breezy conditions in those valley locations tonight, but they're not like they were a few hours ago. We're seeing mostly teens up and down the Salinas Valley, anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Around our coastal locations, they have calmed down quite a bit. We're just seeing some very light breezy conditions around the coast, but we do have a gale warning out there. This lasts until 3 a.m. this morning. Northwest winds 20 to 30 knots, gusts up to 40. This is from Point Pinos down to Point Padres Blancos. Again, this expires at 3 a.m. And this is just for those hazardous seas out there. Now, we are talking heat. We're going to continue to have a warm up as we head into, well, at least the first part of the week. This ridge of high pressure is building back into our area. Our inland locations felt that today. Coastal locations, a little different story. We continue to have that onshore flow, and we saw some of those low clouds sticking with us this afternoon. So some of our coastal locations actually cooled down today compared to what they were yesterday, but not the case for our inland locations. Most inland spots actually warmed up 5 to even 10 degrees in some spots. That warming trend will continue as we head into Monday. The warmest day is looking like Tuesday, and we could be tiptoeing around those triple digits for places like Bradley, Parkfield, Fort Hunter, Liggett. And then we'll actually see this ridge of high pressure kind of flatten out a bit Wednesday into Thursday, and then we are actually watching this system right here. Most of that moisture, again, is just going to stay well to the north of us, but it will increase our clouds Thursday into Friday, and we'll actually see cooler temperatures as that system pushes through. Really, those cooler temperatures come with this decreasing ridge of high pressure, and you'll actually see that here. And then as we head into Memorial Weekend, we'll actually see more of a zonal flow, meaning temperatures really aren't going to budge much. We're just going to remain very steady temperatures through Memorial Weekend. Tomorrow, or I should say tonight into tomorrow, we're going to see mostly clear skies across the central coast. That is what we're waking up to, and that is what we're going to have most of the day on Monday. Those low clouds won't return until about Monday evening. I should say Monday night into Tuesday morning. We'll see those low clouds around the peninsula yet again. Southern portions of the bay, northern portions of the bay will actually remain clear, as well as our interior locations. Those low clouds is what we'll wake up to on Tuesday. Maybe some patchy fog, but I'm sticking to just low clouds. But Tuesday, we're going to get rid of those low clouds, and we're going to see a nice sunny day on Tuesday as well. So we're starting the work week off with warm temperatures, sunny skies, before a little change by Wednesday into Thursday as that system kind of pushes through to the north of us. Temperatures tomorrow, 74 for Santa Cruz. We're topping in those 80s, mid to upper 80s for the Santa Cruz Mountains, 77 for Bonadue, and 69 for Davenport. So a bit cooler on the coast yet again, but we are going to see a warm up for our coastal locations. But if you're not a fan of some of those warm inland locations, this is the place to go, is around the coast. 74 for Aptos, cooling down as we head into southern portions of the bay. 63 for Castroville, 64 for Marina, but as we push inland, 73 for Salinas, and then we'll actually see those 80s in places like Hollister up into Morgan Hill. Monterey Peninsula, you are going to be the cool spot. We are going to continue to have a bit of an onshore flow tomorrow. 66 for Monterey, 63 for Carmel by the Sea, 62 for Pacific Grove. Up and down the Salinas Valley, though, this is where we're really going to see those temperatures take off. 93 for Bradley, 92 for Parkfield, and we're going to be in those low to mid 80s up and down the Salinas Valley. A little bit cooler up in Gonzales, just because we will have that onshore influence there. For the next 7 days, well, like I said, the next 2 days we'll see plenty of sunshine, warm temperatures. Tuesday's looking very nice for our coastal locations. We will still be dealing with those breezy conditions from time to time, and then as that system passes by to the north of us, we'll actually see some increasing clouds, especially for our coastal locations starting on Wednesday into Friday. But by the time we head into Memorial Weekend, we're going to see mostly sunny skies with temperatures really just hanging out in those mid 60s. For our inland locations, though, it is going to get hot by Tuesday. We're talking about 90s, even upper 90s for some of our southern portions of Monterey County. Mostly sunny skies really for the next 7 days until that system moves through Thursday into Friday. We'll have a few high lingering clouds. Again, by the time the Memorial Weekend comes around, we'll be sitting in those comfortable mid 70s.
Wow, it's like summertime.